So guys, a quick update. So basically I got landed in Tirana airport and just came into the immigration. The airport is so small, like literally as soon as you get in, that's the immigration right there. Yeah, so there is a bus at 6 o'clock which I'm catching right now to the city center, which is 30 minutes away. The weather is nice actually. It's 22 degrees I guess. It's warm, it's good. So far so good, I would say. Hey guys, I got off the bus and I'm walking towards my hostel. Luckily the bus stop wasn't too far from the hostel, so I think it's like 5 to 10 minutes walk. I'm almost there. I'm just around the corner. Yeah, let me check into the hostel and then I'll show you guys where I'm staying. I think I reached to my hostel but I just couldn't find it, and I just quickly checked on the maps again. It's just hidden somewhere behind this building. Yeah, I still can't spot it. Is it this one? Oh, wow. Can you guys see this? This is the hostel I'm gonna stay for the next 2 nights. Can't even see an entrance. So guys, quick travel update. I made it to Tirana. I'm just sitting at a restaurant having my dinner. Thank you.
Want a dip?
Yeah. So, trying some Albanian meal, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying some vegetarian. Like, I don't eat pork, so yeah. What happened? Quick recap. So I reached to the Albanian Tirana airport. So my flight was delayed like 30 minutes. So because of that, I had less time in the airport to get a SIM or withdraw some money. When I reached, I went to the immigration. So immigration was so weird, to be honest, because I've been to a lot of countries, but every country I've been to, you get an entry stamp, right? Even if you go to your own country, you get an entry stamp. So here, I gave my passport and they checked my visa and they asked me why you came here. I said I'm traveling and I'm flying back from this country, I'm going back to London. I live in London. And then he checked my biometric card and my passport, and then just gave me my passport and he said welcome. And then I was interested to look into my passport to check the entry stamp, but there is no entry stamp. Like, I was like, what? There's no entry stamp. So I asked the guy around next to me, like, bro, do you get an entry stamp in your passport? He just looked into his passport, he couldn't find any. So I was like, okay, it's not only me then. I was freaked out because when I'm exiting the country, if I don't have entry stamp, they're gonna question me, how did you came here? So then I quickly Googled, there was a Wi-Fi luckily in the airport. So that's one of the best things about this airport. Even though it's really small, it's really nice. Like, they have Wi-Fi and they have a lot of food courts outside the airport. And not only that, you know, I think this is one of those airports where you can exchange the money in the airport itself. Like, there is no commission. Like, I quickly Googled how much is the exchange rate. They're actually giving you the same price what you see in the Google. But if you go to your ATM, you get ripped off. I mean, I was bought you because they were charging me like £5 extra on top of what I'm withdrawing. So that's insane. So I had some pounds currency in with me, so I exchanged like 20 pounds. I got around like 2,500 Albanian currency. And the bus from the airport to the city center was around 400 Albanian currency, a lake we call it. So that wasn't too expensive. Even the meal I'm having right now is just 300 lek with a beer, so it's very cheap. So if you're at the airport, it is 19 kilometers away from the city center. So yeah, I would suggest you to take the bus. There is a bus every 1 hour. It only costs you, like I said, 400 lek. But if you are with your friends and if you want to go in a taxi or you want to rent a car, there are like a lot of places outside where you can do that. And yeah, so overall my experience has been great, and I've reached to Tirana, but I haven't got a SIM card yet because I asked the guy in the hostel. He said it's going to cost me 20 euros. So I'm like, for 2 days, is it worth it? No, I don't think so. So I'm not buying a SIM. I have the offline maps downloaded. I think I'll be okay with it. I hope so. So yeah, thing is, my plan was to go to Berat tomorrow to spend a day, but I think there is some marathon happening in the city tomorrow. For that reason, I won't be able to go to the bus stop. So I met a guy in my hostel. So he said he's taking early taxi at 5:30. So there's a bus at 5:45. So I think I'm gonna join him, share the cab, go and catch first bus and go to the berat. I think by the time I come back in the evening, the marathon should be over. So I should be fine. Also, the hostel I'm staying is pretty affordable. It was like £10 a night. It's decent. There are a lot of people in there. But I just came in, I was too tired. I just lied down for a bit and then I came here because I'm so hungry. So I have to do some grocery shopping, like buy some toiletries. Then I'll go back to the hostel, maybe meet some people, talk to them, maybe go again for a drink. I'm gonna enjoy my meals. I'll see you guys when I'm back in the hostel.
Macedonia.
Yeah. That's alright.
Hi guys, good morning from Tirana. Just left my hostel, taking a bus to Berat. There is a marathon happening, so I had to take a taxi to reach the bus station. It cost around 1,000 lek, but I shared with my friend from a hostel and him. He's going some different place, but we had to split in the station. I'm going Berat. I should reach there in 2 hours. So once I get there, I'll show you guys how beautiful Berat is. And yeah, this is how the bus which I'm traveling right now.
Hi guys, so I made it to Berat. It's a bit cold. I forgot to get my jacket actually when I thought it won't be that cold, but yeah, it is cold. It's like 12 degrees right now. So it's around 7 a.m. Wait, I think it's 8:30 right now. How did I get here? So what I did was I took a bus from Tirana to Berat. So the bus was around 500 lek. Also, it's a local bus. It's like a minivan. And basically from Tirana, from my hostel, the bus to get to the bus station, I had to take a cab because there was a marathon going on today. So there's no way I could reach there in that early in the morning by walking. So I had to take a cab. I shared it with one of my friend I met in the hostel. So yeah, that took around 2 hours to reach here. And then the bus terminal is like I'm not sure how far it is. I didn't check in my maps, but it's around like, let's say like 30-40 minutes walk. So I took a bus again from the bus station to the old town. This is the old town, you can see. So this is a famous place. Such a small town, but a lot of history and so pretty. I think I'm gonna go on top of that hill because there is a castle on top, which is really pretty. The view is gonna be lit. Such a nice place. Having it all for myself because there's no tourists around. Like, look at this place. Like, it's 9:30 in the morning, and how beautiful it is, and it's really calm, quiet. Yeah.
I'm thinking to go on top of that hill right now. Yeah, I think the weather should be fine. It's gonna get, it was cold in the morning, it's gonna get a little sunny. Yeah, warm in the afternoon I guess, because I saw the weather forecast. So yeah, I'm just gonna cross across this bridge again, and I think the way to up there should be from that way. Probably I might ask some locals or check my maps again. Such a nice place, man. Like, the city is called also City of Thousand Windows. I mean, it will take me a whole day to count all the 1,000, but I believe they do have 1,000 for sure. The people are also really nice around here. They smile at you. I even asked a local guy to take me a picture and a video. He was such a nice guy. Just smiled and, you know, did what in some places they get irritated, you know, but no, I don't think here they're nice. So this is a map. Yeah, so I don't know where I'm going currently. Like, I'm just walking towards. So basically there's this castle on top of this hill, which is really pretty. I'm thinking to go there right now and then get down, have some dinner, like food basically, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Sorry. It's such a steep, like, it's a uphill. I think it's taking forever to get up there. Look at that, like, I can't see the end. Just keep on going, and there's cars coming down from there, and there's no route map or anything on the road which says how long it's gonna take there or any idea. I'm not even sure if I'm going in the right route. Wow. I wish there is an easier way to go up there, but the place is nice. Like, such a beautiful views. Look at that. Finally, I made it. I'm at the entrance of the castle of Berat. I'm just gonna show you guys inside.